Hey kids, welcome to Little Learner's World. Let's dive into the world of sea animals. This is a dolphin. Dolphins are very smart and playful. They breathe air through a blowhole. They use whistles to communicate. This is a shark. Sharks have many sharp teeth. They are excellent swimmers. Not all sharks are dangerous to people. This is an octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms. They can change color to hide. They are very clever animals. This is a jellyfish. Jellyfish have soft, jelly-like bodies. They drift with ocean currents. Some can glow in the dark. This is a seahorse. Seahorses swim upright. They use their tails to hold onto plants. The father carries the babies. This is a starfish. Starfish usually have 5 arms. They can regrow a lost arm. They live on the ocean floor. This is a stingray. Stingrays have flat bodies. They glide gracefully through the water. They often hide under the sand. This is a crab. Crabs have hard shells. They walk sideways. They use strong claws to catch food. This is a lobster. Lobsters have 2 large claws. They shed their shells as they grow. They can live for many years. This is a seal. Seals are playful marine mammals. They are excellent swimmers. Blubber keeps them warm. This is an eel. Eels have long, snake-like bodies. They hide in rocks. Some eels can produce electricity. This is a squid. Squid have 10 arms. They swim by squirting water. They release ink to escape danger. This is a pufferfish. Pufferfish puff up when scared. Their spines help protect them. Some species are poisonous. This is an anglerfish. Anglerfish live deep in the ocean. They use a glowing lure to catch prey. They have very large mouths. This is a sea turtle. Sea turtles have hard shells. They swim across oceans. They return to beaches to lay eggs. This is a walrus. Walruses have long tusks. Thick blubber keeps them warm. They rest together on ice. This is a whale. Whales are the largest animals on Earth. They breathe through blowholes. Many whales sing beautiful songs. Thanks for watching.